Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another update on the profit retriever. I decided to make a quick video because it looks like the profit retriever is going to make a big cash in. It's actually the biggest transaction that I've had. I'll just show you here. I've got 36. I don't think you'll be able to see that, but I've got 36 lots open. That's the most lots I've ever had open. You could see yesterday it almost broke the line there. As soon as it breaks clear, it will cash in all 36 positions and make me a profit of around about $600. This is just an estimate. You can see on the EA. You can see we're very close to breaking. As soon as it goes through that line, it will cash in all these positions. I've been holding since the 9th of August. Today is the 16th, so it's about a week. So this has been quite a dramatic position that I've been in, because although I'm on minus $3,600 here, at one stage over here, I was about 100,000 in the red or drawdown. It's a pity it didn't open up more positions here. It could have been because of the spread. It doesn't open positions if the spread is too high. No, sorry for the noise. But anyway, just traffic outside. So I want to, it's very close to breaking even there. If I go to the 1 minute, I'm on the 1 hour chart now. The reason why my account didn't go bust is because I've got, it's 180, I've got a equity of $195,000. This is a cent account. This is not a full account. But what I also did was I transferred $20,000 to one of my other accounts, or I withdrew. So I've got a clean, this is a no risk account at the moment, because I only added $250 into a cent account. They gave me another $250. So that made it $500, but because it's a cent account, it increased my holding to, it changed it to a $50,000 account. So that allowed me to put or start with more EA, because the rule of thumb is 1 EA per $10,000. Although I recommend $20,000, and with my aggressive settings, you need $20,000. So at the moment, I've got 2, 4, 6, 8 EAs running on this one account. You can see I'm very close to breaking through there. I've got a current drawdown of 16,000. On this EA, it's only 3,300, but there's other EAs currently in a drawdown. And that is a big warning on this EA, is that you've got to have a big account. So you can have, this EA does run in huge drawdowns. But the big advantage of this EA, you can trade, you can just switch it on with your settings, and you can trade in any direction, up or down, and it will make a profit as long as your account is big enough. It works on a grid system. You can see I've set it to every 23 pips, it will open up a position. So if it opens up a position in the wrong direction, it will just keep on opening it up and keep it open until there's a retracement back to the red line there, which is, or pink line, which is the take profit line. But if it trades in the right direction, it will cash in every 23 pips and make a profit. But in this case, it was trading in the wrong direction, and there was a big retracement for the last week. This one was a heavy retracement of $100,000, which is quite hectic. But luckily I've got a big account. But it looks like it's going to cash in. Look, it's on minus only $37. As soon as it reaches the profit of $600, it will cash in all 36 positions. So 36 positions times 23. Let's just see how many pips that is. That is 828 pips drawdown we had. That's a huge drawdown with any currency, but the pound Kiwi is a very volatile currency pair. So it is the profits are higher using this currency pair, but it's also much more risky. So to make your risk lower, I would recommend using maybe even a higher gap size than 23, and then instead of having an increase strategy, use a decrease strategy. Looks like we're going back a little bit here, so it's not going to be immediate. I might have to pause this and to wait for it to break through that profit. I think it might have gone into a profit, but it didn't reach the 600. So now we're back minus 1,300 again. So let's see if we can, with the next, it's 20 past the hour now. So let's see if it breaks through now. If it doesn't, then I'll just pause it and wait for it to break through, so you just can see how it cashes in. I love to see that when it cashes in, it creates all these lines, the cash in lines, and it opens up a new position and can start all over again. I don't like it when it opens up so many positions over a week, because it cannot make profit. So for the last week, I haven't been making any money with this EA, but luckily I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 other EAs that are still generating income for me and increasing the size of this account. They're cashed in now. There goes the first one. Okay, my computer's a little bit slow, but it's actually immediate. It's already cashed in everything, but it's just filling it in now. So just look at that. I love to see that going. That is 36 positions being cashed in now, and the profit's even higher than I thought. The EA said it was going to make $618, but look at the profit there. It's $839. So just cashing in, 4 more to go. And there you've got it, mission complete, and already opened up a new position. It's a buy position. Here you can see one buy. I'm running on minus 35. So well done, profit retriever. So that's why it's called the profit retriever. It goes in the wrong direction, but retrieves the losses when there's a retracement. So as it opens up new positions, it opens up, this line comes down as it opens up new positions. I've set it to increase in size after a while, so it will increase the lot size the lower it goes, and that will make this break even or profit line come down and bring the retrieval closer. If I set it more aggressive, this line would have been lower and would have maybe cashed in over here, but the number of lots that would have been open and my drawdown would have been much lower as well. So you've got to play it. You've got to get your settings or play around with your settings before you go live and see what you're comfortable with. My new strategy is to have decreasing. So from you might be able to see from one lot, it will decrease by 85% up to 0.45 lots, and then it will start increasing by 103% the lot size as it goes in the wrong direction. So let's look at my account so far. This account I've been running now for 123 days. That includes weekends, so it's not every day. But so far my profit, okay, yeah, it's still showing a minus because it's not updated. Let me just refresh it. I don't know if it will be up to date. Because there is a delay with the reporting of FX Blue, but you can see it is a real account. Okay, I'm running on a minus 15,000. I just want to see if it is that. Yeah, it could be. Yeah, so I think it is already. This 309% includes the cash in now. So that is the actual figures as it is. So I've made 309% over the last 123 days with the profit retriever. You can see the currencies. There is archived as well because some currencies I've dropped and others I'll add. I don't have a specific way of doing it. Here you can see this drop. This is the $200 I withdrew. So my exposure now is only $50. But this is a cent account, so it's almost, so I've made almost made $2,000 with the initial 250, withdrew 200, so my risk is only $50 currently, but I still have almost $2,000 in my account equity that I can use to trade. So yes, I'll put the link in the description below. You'll find this, you'll go to this page here, which is a sales page of the profit retriever. I highly recommend you check it out. It's a great Forex trading robot. It can also trade gold, silver, and cryptos. It all depends on your broker. I highly recommend you open up a cent account. I use FBS. I'll put my referral link in the description below if you want to use that. They will then open up a cent account for you. You can also have regular accounts with them and crypto accounts. And so far, so good. Yeah, just remember that you need to test it. Go on a demo account, test it with your settings. I'm also willing to share my settings with you. My email will be in the description below. And then you'll trade it and just learn how the robot works before you go live. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this update of the profit retriever. If you've got any questions, please comment below. If you want to follow my progress with the profit retriever, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll appreciate if you can like this video if it was any help to you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.